Today, we're going to go more in depth on the difference between standard and CK sockets, but first we need to open them up. As you can see, this is for high intensity. This wire right here is for low intensity, and this one is the ground. Here, on the side, you can see that both terminals go down to one wire. So there are two ground terminals that are connected to each other. Now, we're going to take a look at the CK socket. This is the high intensity terminal, and this one is the low intensity terminal. As you can see, they are separated from each other. Now, let's take a look at the ground terminal. For the ground terminals, they are connected together, which leads to the bottom connection. So now, if we put it back together and compare it to the standard socket, you will see that on the standard socket, the ground is connected with each other on this side, but for the CK socket, the ground is connected and located on this side. So let's take a moment to discuss why this is important when it comes to LED bulbs and why this will typically lead to a blown fuse. So first, let me open up the LED bulb real quick. As you can see, this is a standard LED bulb. These two connections are the ground, and this is the high and this is the low. If we put this LED bulb to a standard socket, you will see that the two grounds connect to the socket's ground properly. This one will go to the high, and this one will go to the low. Now, let's look at the CK socket again. This wire is ground, and this wire is low intensity. If we connect both grounds with these two terminals, which are the ground and positive, it will cause a short between the ground and positive, which will then cause your fuse to blow. So, looking at a halogen bulb, you'll notice a pretty big difference. There are two separate filaments inside the bulb. The connections are separate. There are no shared grounds. So no matter which socket you put the halogen bulb in, it will not cause any short between any terminals, so it won't matter if you have a CK or standard socket.